Okay, so we had a little plumbing issue, and water started backing up into our laundry room when we were draining out the washer. And we started doing some investigating. Come to find out, this tree has a root that has gone into this pipe, or at least that's what it looked like. Cleared the drain, but now we got to dig the pipe up. So I started digging, and now come look at this. We got down to about where the root looked like it was going through the pipe, and I realized that pipe was extra flexible, and come to find out, they just never attached it to the pipe beneath it. It's just loose, sitting in there. Never attached. Well, we found the problem. Hashtag Salisbury Homes.